This video is gonna be a follow-up on my Cinquefoil here. It gets this sweet little yellow flowers, which it doesn't seem to have this year. But I pruned it very hard last year, so that's probably why. But it has the 2 branches right here and an extra one here. I wired 4 branches last year. This is gonna be the taper, so it needs a lot of pruning because there's branches that's too long and you can't really see the trunk right here. So I'm just gonna do some light pruning and rewire it so the branches are like I want them to be. Yes. And the branches that's going from my main branch here that's growing upwards, I'm just gonna cut them directly off because you don't want branches growing from top of the branch. You want them growing from the sides or beneath it, so it can resemble an old branch. When you're doing wiring, it's very important to always keep your fingers right behind where you're wiring so that you don't break the branch and you have the best hold. So always hold the wire while you're doing the spinning around the branch, and try to go around the trunk. It was difficult in this situation because it's the one I took around, the round I did around the trunk, it keeps slipping up and getting loose. But always try to keep doing the 2-branch principle, which is always use 1 wire per 2 branches. This way they all hold way better and they aren't just slipping back and forth. This is going to be a back branch. This is it for now. Don't want to do anything more to it. I just want to establish the branches that I already did. I did some new back branches, these two, and got a new side branch to counter this bend. On this bend I have this one now, and rewired the taper. It's just gonna go free and thicken the trunk and strengthen the root net and all that. Yes, yeah, now it's just growth. Definitely has potential. I really like the branch. It's beautiful. And I really like these cinquefoils because they have these small tiny leaves. They really, if you had to pick a species of tree, this would be great because it looks like an instant bonsai. But I know this, I dug this up in my own I dug this one up at my old apartment building, so you can call it an urban yamadori, but I guess it's at least 20 years old, so that's why you have this beautiful trunk. And I also have to figure out what to do with this moss, because I don't want the trunk to rot. Or do I? I don't know. We'll just let it sit there. It looks pretty cool. That's it.